Welcome to Green Zone. Today, we're exploring some amazing plants that not only beautify your garden, but also help repel pesky insects. Let's dive in. First up, we have sweet basil. This aromatic herb is a fantastic addition to your garden. Not only does it enhance your dishes, but it also effectively repels mosquitoes and houseflies. Plant it near doorways and windows to keep these unwanted guests at bay. Next, we have rosemary. This robust herb is known for its culinary uses, but did you know it can also repel mosquitoes and fleas? Place it around your patio or outdoor seating areas to create a natural barrier. Marigolds are not just visually stunning with their bright colors, but they also repel mosquitoes and aphids. The strong scent of marigolds keeps these insects away, making them perfect for your flower beds and vegetable gardens. Lavender is a garden favorite for its soothing fragrance and lovely purple blooms. Beyond its beauty, lavender repels mosquitoes, houseflies, and fleas. Plant it along walkways or near seating areas to enjoy its calming effects while keeping insects at bay. Lemongrass is another powerful mosquito repellent, and it also keeps houseflies and fleas away. Its fresh, citrusy scent is pleasant to us but repellent to many insects. Grow it in pots or garden beds for best results. Lemon balm, with its refreshing lemon scent, is great for repelling mosquitoes and houseflies. It's easy to grow and can be used in teas and cooking, adding both functionality and flavor to your garden. Peppermint is a versatile herb that deters mosquitoes, spiders, and houseflies. Its strong minty aroma is disliked by many insects. Plant it in pots to prevent it from spreading too aggressively, and enjoy its insect-repelling benefits. Thyme is not only a kitchen staple but also a natural insect repellent. It helps keep mosquitoes and ants away. Plant it in your garden, and you'll have fresh thyme for cooking and a natural bug barrier. Lastly, we have catnip. While cats love it, mosquitoes and cockroaches do not. Catnip is incredibly effective at repelling mosquitoes and is also known to deter cockroaches. Plant it in your garden, and your feline friends will thank you while the insects stay away. So, there you have it. 9 fantastic plants that will help you enjoy your garden without the annoyance of pesky insects. Happy gardening, and enjoy your insect-free oasis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time.